Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling a super important topic: how to check your I-140 status in 2025. If you're in the midst of the US immigration process, especially for employment-based green cards, knowing your I-140 status can ease a lot of anxiety. Quick recap. Form I-140 is a petition for alien workers, filed by your employer to help you get permanent residency. Let's dive into the steps to check it out. First things first, head over to the official USCIS website at uscis.gov. It's the most reliable source for up-to-date information. Once you're there, look for the Case Status Online tool. It's usually right on the homepage or under the Tools section. Now, if you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one. It's free and straightforward. Just provide your email, create a password, and verify your identity. Next, log into your account and navigate to the Case Status page. You'll need your receipt number, which is a 13-character code that USCIS provides when they accept your petition. It's something like SRC followed by numbers. Keep it handy. Enter that receipt number into the search bar and hit Submit. Voila! You'll see the current status of your I-140, whether it's in review, approved, or pending further action. A few tips for 2025. USCIS might have updated their system for better security, so make sure you're using a strong password and enabling two-factor authentication. If your status isn't updating or you run into issues, double-check the receipt number or contact USCIS directly through their helpline at 1-800-375-5283. Remember, processing times can vary, so be patient and check back periodically. That's all for this guide. Checking your I-140 status is easier than you think, and staying informed keeps you one step ahead. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more immigration tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.